something which
designers, brands and manufacturers now need to be more and more conscious of the provenance and the qualities of the materials that they use. We'd been using cork for a long time, but we'd never really been aware of its extraordinary sustainability profile. The cork manufacturing process requires a series of different skills and also extreme patience. A tree takes 25 years to grow before it's ready for its first harvest, and then 9 years for the next one. It's estimated that for every tonne of cork produced, the cork oak forest captures 73 tonnes of CO2. All too often, acoustics are forgotten in contemporary interiors, with a huge focus on hard surfaces and less soft furnishings in the contemporary interior. Acoustics become one of the big battlegrounds. And more we start thinking about the necessity for silence in spaces. We've been using cork for a variety of reasons. First, the aesthetics, but also its warmth. Its warmth to the touch and its lightness. We use it in big blocks which look very heavy, but it's an extremely lightweight material. It's an incredibly versatile material with amazing engineering properties. And although most people recognise it from its most popular use, which is closing the wine bottle, it's been used in extraordinary applications, like re-entry capsules for space travel. We've been using it more and more in its capacity as a sound-absorbing material. By using it in massive blocks in our tables, we can get enough density to actually make an acoustic impact in a space. So by designing artifacts that have a big visual mass, we're increasing the amount of cork in a space and enhancing its acoustic absorption properties. So in a noisy restaurant, for instance, this becomes a really important. Before putting these tables into the range, we first made these tables and tested them out in our staff canteen and in our meeting rooms. And we found it to be the most attractive material to eat off and to work on. We've been working with AMORIN, our partners in Portugal, who've been in the cork business for 150 years and are the biggest in the world. A company that takes its environmental responsibilities extremely seriously. They also invest a huge amount in research and development and are constantly looking for new applications in sport, in travel, in food, and in furniture as well. So we've been happily experimenting with them, and they've been very supportive in terms of producing prototypes and giving us the benefit of their amazing expertise in this wonder material.